Can apple cider vinegar help you lose weight? Apple cider vinegar has been used as a health tonic for thousands of years. Research shows that it has many health benefits such as lowering blood sugar levels. But can adding apple cider vinegar to your diet also help you lose weight? This video explores the research behind apple cider vinegar and weight loss. It also provides tips on incorporating apple cider vinegar into your diet. What is the apple cider vinegar? Apple cider vinegar is made in a two-step formation process. First, apples are cut or crushed and combined with yeast to convert their sugar into alcohol. Second, bacteria is added to ferment the alcohol into acetic acid. Traditional apple cider vinegar produce takes about 1 month, though some manufacturers dramatically accelerate the process so that it takes only a day. Acetic acid is the main active component of apple cider vinegar. Also known as ethonic acid, is an organic compound with a sour taste and strong odor. The term acetic comes from actium, the Latin word for vinegar. About 5 to 6% of apple cider vinegar consists of acetic acid. It also contains water and trace amounts of other acids such as malic acid. 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar contains about 3 calories and virtually no carbs. Acetic acid has various benefits for fat loss. Acetic acid is a short-chain fatty acid that dissolves into acetate and hydrogen into your body. Some animal studies suggest that the acetic acid in apple cider vinegar may promote weight loss in several ways. Lower blood sugar levels. In one rat study, acetic acid improved the ability of the liver and muscles to take up sugar from the blood. Number 2. Decreases in insulin levels. In the same rat study, acetic acid also reduced the ratio of insulin to glucagon, which might favor fat burning. Number 3. Improved metabolism. Another study in rats exposed to acetic acid showed an increase in the enzyme AMPK, which boosts fat burning and decreases fat and sugar production in the liver. Reduced fat storage. Treating obese diabetes rats with acetic acid or acetate protects them from weight gain and increase the expression of genes that reduce belly fat storage and liver fat. Burns fat. A study in mice fed a high-fat diet supplemented with acetic acid found a significant increase in the genes responsible for fat burning, which led to less body fat blood cook. Suppresses appetite. Another study suggests acetate may suppress centers in your brain that controls appetite, which can lead to reduced food intake. Although the results of animal studies look promising, research is needed in humans to confirm these effects. Apple cider vinegar increases fullness and reduces calorie intake. Apple cider vinegar may promote fullness, which can decrease calories intake. In one small study in 11 people, those who took vinegar with a high carb meal had a 55% lower blood sugar response 1 hour after eating. They also ended up consuming 200 to 275 fewer calories for the rest of the day. In addition to its appetite suppressing effects, apple cider vinegar has also been shown to slow the rate at which food leaves your stomach. In another small study, taking apple cider vinegar with a stretchy meal significantly slowed down stomach emptying. This led to increased feelings of fullness and lower blood sugar and insulin levels. However, some people may have a condition that makes this effect harmful. Gastroparesis or delayed stomach emptying is a common complication of type 1 diabetes. Timing insulin with food intake becomes problematic because it is difficult to predict how long it will take for blood sugar to rise after a meal. since apple cider vinegar has been shown to extend the time food stays in your stomach. Taking it with meals could worsen gastroparesis. It may help you lose weight and body fat. Results from one human study indicate that apple cider vinegar has impressive effects on weight and body. In this 12-week study, 144 obese Japanese adults consume either 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, 2 tablespoons of vinegar, or a placebo drink every day. They were told to restrict their alcohol intake but otherwise continue their unsalted diet and activity throughout the study. Those who consumed 1 tablespoon of vinegar per day had on average the following benefits: weight loss 2.6 pounds, decrease in body fat percentage 0.7, decrease in waist circumstances 0.5, decrease in triglycerides 26%. This is what changed in those consuming 2 tablespoons of vinegar per day. Weight loss 3.7 pounds, decrease in body fat percentage 0.9%, decrease in waist circumstances 0.75, decrease in triglycerides 26%. According to this study, adding 1 or 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar to your diet can help you lose weight. It can also reduce your body fat percentage, make you lose belly fat, and decreases your blood triglycerides. This is one of a few human studies that have investigated vinegar's effects on weight loss. Although the study was fairly large and the results are encouraging, additional studies are needed. Additionally, one 6-week study in mice fed a high-fat, high-calorie diet found that the high-dose vinegar group gained 10% less fat than the control group and 2% less fat than the low-dose vinegar group. Other health benefits: in addition to promoting weight and fat loss, apple cider vinegar has several other benefits. Lowers blood sugar and insulin, improves insulin sensitivity, lowers fasting blood sugars, improve PCOS symptoms, decrease cholesterol levels, lowers blood pressure, kills harmful bacteria and viruses. How to add it to your diet? There are a few ways to include apple cider vinegar in your diet. An easy method is to use it with olive oil as a salad dressing. It proves particularly tasty with leafy greens, cucumbers, and tomatoes. It can also be used for pickling vegetables, or you can simply mix it into the water and drink it. The amount of apple cider vinegar used for weight loss is 1 to 2 tablespoons per day mixed with water. It is the best to spread this out into 2 to 3 doses throughout the day, and it may be best to drink it before meals. Taking more than this is not recommended because of potentially harmful effects at higher doses, such as drug interactions or the erosion of the tooth enamel. It is also best to start off with 1 tablespoon to see how you tolerate it. Do not take more than 1 tablespoon at a time because taking too much at one sitting may cause nausea. It is important to mix it with water, as undiluted vinegar may burn the inside of your mouth and esophagus. Although taking apple cider vinegar in table form may seem beneficial, it comes with potentially large risk. In one instance, a woman suffered throat burns after an apple cider vinegar tablet became locked in her esophagus.